Hello everyone, this is Sihan from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important instruments and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Thursday, 4th of November 2021. Let's begin with the Dow Jones Index, where in the previous videos we said that the index is moving in an uptrend, and we were waiting for it to break upwards to level 35,900, where we said that it will be targeting around level 36,135. Recently, we can see that the index has broken upwards to level 35,900, where it is currently being traded around level 36,135, which resembles a horizontal resistance level for the index in the 4-hour time frame, and therefore by breaking upwards to it will support the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame, as well as the targeting of around level 36,500 as a primary target in the current uptrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that after it rebounded upwards off of around level 50, it is currently being around level 70, near the overbought area, which supports the probability of rebounding down off of around the current levels in order to correct in the 1-hour time frame and the smaller time frames. However, overall we can notice that the RSI indicator has been moving between levels 40 and 70, which supports the continuity of the current uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the Dow Jones Index. Let's move on to the gold. In the previous videos we said that the gold is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame inside the overall sideways movement in the daily time frame, and we were waiting for it to rebound down off of around the broken lower boundary of the upwards channel that was previously formed, and we said that by rebounding downwards off of it, it will support the targeting of around level 1760 as a primary target in the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. Recently, we can see that the gold has achieved level 1760, where it continued to rebound upwards off of it in order to correct, and currently it is being traded around level 1778, which by rebounding downwards off of it, due to it being a horizontal resistance level in the 4-hour time frame, will further support the continuity of the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the 1-hour time frame, and will continue to target level 1760 once again, then around level 1750 as primary targets in the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the 1-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it is currently moving around level 40, which supports the probability of rebounding down off of around the current levels in order to continue with the downtrend. One thing to note is that this bearish scenario will be cancelled upon the breaking upwards to level 1785 in the 1-hour time frame. Otherwise, we are still moving in a downtrend in both the 1-hour time frame as well as the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the gold. Let's move on to the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. In the previous videos, we said that we were waiting for the pair to break down through level 0.7480, which resembled the lower boundary of the sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame, and also break down through the uptrend line in the 4-hour time frame. We said that even though the uptrend is still continuing, however, it has shown many signs of weakness, which further support the breaking down through level 0.7480, as well as the breaking down through the uptrend line in the 4-hour time frame. We said that by breaking down through it, the pair will be starting a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame and will continue to target around level 0.7375 as a primary target in the downtrend. Recently, we can see that the pair has broken down through level 0.7480 and has broken down through the uptrend line in the 4-hour time frame, where it continued to reach around level 0.7410 and then rebounded upwards off of it in order to correct and retest around level 0.7480, which now resembles a horizontal resistance level for the pair in the 4-hour time frame, and it is currently starting to rebound downwards off of it, which by rebounding downwards off of it will support the continuity of the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the targeting of around level 0.7410 once again, then around level 0.7375 as primary targets in the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding downwards off of around level 50, it confirms the rebounding down off of around the current levels in order to continue with the overall downtrend. That was it for the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Market Equity wishes you successful trading. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.